All right, so today we are going to show you how to take and replace the battery here in a 2021 Dodge Ram 2500. I have about 52,000 miles on, and it wouldn't crank up this morning. It was cranking, but it wasn't going. So obviously need a new battery. First thing we're gonna have to do here is we're gonna have to take out this crossbar here. So this takes a little 1/2 inch nut right there that you could unscrew. Make sure you keep all your parts somewhere where you know. Get that out. Gonna go ahead and just move this over. This one could be loosened, but it's already a little loose. So we got our 1/2 inch there, and then for these bolts, there's gonna be 1, 2, and then a third one down there. They're all 10mm. So I got my 10mm socket here. We're gonna go ahead and remove the positive first. It's gonna loosen it up. Got a little screwdriver here just to pry this up and go underneath. I'm just going to fold that back, hide it in there. Drop my screwdriver. Perfect. We're going to go ahead and pull off our negative. Came off nice and easy. Set that in the back. And then this one right here, same deal. Loosen that up. This one we're going to want to unscrew all the way. And then this should come right off, this little sleeve, and just work it up around the edges. We got that off. I'm gonna go ahead and just make sure nothing's grabbing it. That little piece comes off too. Alright, we got our new battery. Drop that right in. It's nice and secure. I'm gonna go ahead and get this piece and put this back down in here. Alright, so we're going to put this little piece back in here. What I'm going to tell you is there's 2 little holes in the back here that slide in, or little guides. So just make sure you got those lined up, because that makes a world of difference. We're just going to go. Okay. Ain't going nowhere. Now we're going to put those 2 pieces back down. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and put this cover back on. I remember which way it went. This way. You're going to want the front opening where the 2 positive and negative leads are. So I'm just going to put that back on, make sure it's secure down below. Now we could go ahead and hook up our negative and positive again. We're going to start by hooking in our positive. There's 2 little feet underneath that are going to grab. We're going to make sure those get on. There. And secure. I'm going to go ahead and tighten this guy down.
Wait, Daddy, I want to see what it looks like inside the truck.
Looks the same. Looks the same. What?
The back door, Daddy.
Well, I don't know.
Do you want a kid to go in the hole? Yes? Okay.
So now those are tightened down. We're going to go ahead and put that latch back on. Give it a quick test. Keep your hands away. And give it. You can stand there. Give it a quick test.
I'm going to stay back.
Good test. All right.
Good test.
So now we got all that done.
10-star.
We're hooked in. We're secured down below. We're latched on here. We're going to bring our cross beam back over. Go ahead and tighten this part down, and we're done. If you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. hit that like button. If you got any questions or comments, go ahead and leave those down below. I'm sure there's going to be some comment about hooking the positive up before the negative, but we'll see.
Wait, what does that do, Daddy?
This tightens it. You want to swirl it around until it gets tight? Watch your fingers.
Yeah.
Once it starts to get pretty tight down there, and you could just go like this. Watch, pull it towards you and push it. Pull it towards you, push it, push. Push real tight, tight, tight. There we go. We're nice and tight.